is built up slowly. So we'll start loosening up our joints. So we'll start from neck, right up, breathing down, breathing up, breathe out down, breathe in up, breathe out down. Left to right, breathe in up, breathe out down, up, breathe in, down, breathe out. One more time, up, breathe in, down, breathe out. Okay, your shoulders back. Rotate your shoulders nicely back, forward. Arms forward. Backward. Hands on your shoulder, forward. Backward. Okay, elbows up and down. Rotate in one direction. Change direction. Your wrist in one direction. Change direction. Your fingers, thumb. Okay, hands on your waist. Keep your head and feet still and pivot your waist clockwise, big circle. Anti-clockwise. Okay, hands on your waist and we'll rotate clockwise. Keep rotating, keep your feet still. Anti-clockwise. Okay, open and close. Open, close, and close, and close. Now outside in, other way around. Yeah, stand up, lift up your right leg, rotate your ankles in one direction. Change direction. Up, down, sideways. Change, left leg, rotate. Change direction. Up, down, sideways. That's it. Shake your body and then slowly start jogging. Slowly start jogging. Arm movements, leg movements. Breathe in, breathe out through your nose. Increase the speed. Okay, high knees. It's back. Normal jogging. Okay, alternate arms and legs. Side twister. Jumping. Return forward skipping. Backward. Jumping. Short jump. Slow down. Relax. Lose your calf muscles if they're stiff. Your hands together, feet together. Breathe in. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up. On your toe, hold. Breathe out. One more time, deep breathe in. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, arms up. On your toe, hold. Breathe out. Okay, we'll do Satat Yoga, Prakar ek, left, right, both and up. So 16, 16 all ways, 5 times. Satat Yoga, Prakar ek, karo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Left, right, both up. Left, right, both up. Check your legs. Hands together, arms up, breathe in. Down, breathe out. Up, breathe in. Down, breathe out. One more time. Up, breathe in. Down, breathe out. Next one, wood chopper breath. Everybody knows. 10 to 12 times at your own pace. So breathe in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Start. Next one is Bhastrika, pumping. So arms on your side, feet, and 10 to 12 times, only nose now. Start. When you're done, hold your breath for some time. Relax. Okay, our body is now nicely warmed up from inside and outside. We'll do dynamic stretches. So neck up, breathe in, down, breathe out. Up, breathe in, down, breathe out. Back to front, to left, hold, front to right, hold, front, tilt to left side, ear to shoulder, hold, right side, ear to shoulder, hold, right arm across, pull your shoulders and arm, stretch them, Left arm across, stretch nicely. Right arm up, push from elbow and try to hold it back. Stretch. Left arm up, push from elbow, try to hold. Sideways 4-4, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we'll do back twisting. So breathe in, breathe out to right, hold your hips. Breathe in front, to your left, hold your hips. Breathe in front, right, front, left, front, right, front, left. Okay, spread your legs and then alternate arms to alternate legs and other arm up and look up 8 times. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, hands in front, then middle, then between your legs, stretch your calf muscles, hamstring, just your knee joints, the back of the knee. Stretch nicely. Hold left leg, forehead on your left knee, keep both knees straight. Put forehead on your left knee if you can. Breathe in the middle. Breathe in, breathe out. On right leg, hold your right leg. Forehead on your right knee. Stretch, stretch. Breathe in, breathe out in the middle. Now breathe in and go up. And go backward. Okay, right leg, right side. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Left leg, left side. Stretch, stretch. Okay, stand up. Right leg, lift up. Close to your chest. Stretch. Then sideways. Stretch nicely. Then back, your knees together. Stretch. Change. Left leg up towards your chest. Stretch. Stretch. Then side. Stretch nicely. Stretch. Now back. Knees together. Stretch. Last one. Right leg in front. Left leg back. Hold your big toe. Stretch calf muscles, hamstrings. Touch the floor. Sweep the floor now and breathe in. Get a bit further forward. Touch the floor and forehead on your front knee. Breathe in up. Left leg in front. Bend your back leg. Hold your big toe. Stretch your calf muscles, hamstring, and then back of the knee. Stretch. Touch the floor. Sweep the floor now and breathe in. Get it a bit further forward. Touch the floor with your hands, forehead on your front knee. Stretch nicely, stretch, stretch. Breathe in up, relax. So that's about all the stretches, dynamic stretches, warm up. And now we'll just move on to Surya Namaskar. So while you are standing up, keep breathing in, breathing out. I'll start the music. I'll put the camera down. Surya Namaskar Sthiti. Join your heels, your toes, your palms, fingers, thumbs onto your solar plex. ध्येय सदा सवितृमण्डलमध्यवर्ती नारायण सरसिजा सनसन्निविष्टा केयूरवान् मकरकुण्डलवान् किरीटी हारी हिरण्मय वपुरधृतशङ्खचक्रः ॐ मित्राय नमः. Start. Take breathe in. Breathe out, go down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in up. Om Ravaye Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in cobra. Back to Namaskarasan. Om Suryaya Namaha. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Om Bhanave Namaha. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, right leg. Exhale. Hold your breath. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Right leg in front. Exhale. Inhale. Om Khagaya Namaha. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Om Pushne Namaha. एक, दो, right leg back, left leg back. Hold your breath. 6, 7, 8, right leg forward. 9, 10. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasan. Om Marichaye Namaha. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Right leg in front. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Breathe out. Om Adityaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Om Savitre Namaha. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale. Om Arkaya Namaha. Go up. Keep looking up. Bend nicely. Neck back. Go down. Keep your knees straight. Chin, left leg back. Look up. Push your lower back in front. Nice stretch. 4. Keep a straight line, no humps of your hip. 5. Hold your breath. Now here you can have the hump. Your hip should be up, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. 6. Cobra. Get your waist between your arms. 7. Downward dog, heels touching the floor, knees straight. 8. Left leg in front. Again, stretch your lower back in front nicely. And 9. Keep your knees straight. 10. Namaskarasana. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. 13th one. Om Shri Savitru Surya Narayanaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left leg back. Right leg back. Hold your breath. Breathe in up. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front. Right leg in front. Breathe in up. Relax. Relax. I will do video now. Just relax for 30-40 seconds. I'll share the video. We'll again do 48. Let's see. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Okay, when I start the video, it will be from number 7. So you know you have to just wait for 10 and then we'll continue. Get ready. Breathe out. Breathe in up. Down. Right leg. Left leg. Hold. Breathe in. Downward dog. Right leg. Left leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg. Right leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Rest. Exhale. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Rest. Exhale. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Go. 8. Go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Go. Uddhvasan, Ardhastasana, Ekapada Prasanasana, Satrapadandasana, Ashtangasana, Bhujangasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana, Ekpada Prasanasana, Uttanasana, Namaskarasana. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and break. 30-second break. Relax. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Tomorrow again, Saturday, we'll do 108. So we'll have the longer, so like maybe 12 and 18 or 24 Surya Namaskar and break. Today on after 12 we are taking break. Breathe in, breathe out, and then we'll start. Okay, get ready, and then I'll start, and then you breathe out, and then start with breathing. Left leg and breathe out. Go. 1, 2, left leg. 4. Hold. Breathe out. Left leg. Right leg. Breathing. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out and then go. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, hold, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. So breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, hold, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Go. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And break. Just relax. Relax. Relax nicely. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Last 12 for today. Today we are going to do Surya Namaskar Vinyasa. So we'll do 2 more Surya Namaskar, but with extended poses. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, get ready. Get ready. I'll start. Breathe out. Go. So, left leg, right leg. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg, right leg. Breathe in, breathe out. So, breathe out. Right leg, left leg. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right leg, left leg. And breathe in. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, 9, 10. Breathe out. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. 48. Last one. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And relax. I'll just do the prayer. So coming to Namaskar position. Breathe in, breathe out. आदित्यस्य नमस्कारान् ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने आयुप्रज्ञाबलं वीर्यं तेजस्तेषां च जायते. Rama, 1, 2, 3. Relax. Relax for 30-40 seconds. Then we'll move on. Keep breathing in, breathing out. You can drink water a little bit, sip, just have a sip. Okay, so we'll just do 2 Surya Namaskar, but extended more yoga positions. So Surya Namaskar Vinyasa flow. Do as much as you can. So the some might be a bit difficult one. So just try to do slowly. I'll just check my camera. Yeah, it's okay because most of the time will be down. Only some. So yeah, get ready. Come into Surya Namaskar Sthiti again. Heels together, toes together, and Namaskar. So we'll start with first egg go up. Now just hold your, lock your fingers. Go up, Tadasana. Set, stretch nicely. Move on to left side, sideways. Back to front, middle, right, sideways, right side. Go back again, and then do. Come into the forward fold. Here we'll do standing split. So lift up your left leg first. Go as much as you can. Try to keep your knees straight. Hands on the floor, support of your hands. Down, right leg up, other leg. Again, knees straight, don't bend it. Both legs. Go as much as you can. Keep it down. Now hands on back and then Dvikonasana to a double angle pose. So hands back and up towards the ceiling. Now again, come down. Now left leg, take it back. Normal one. Now here, take your hand, join them and go back. Anjaneyasana, high lunge position. Stretch nicely. Then slowly come in the middle. Stand up. Warrior one. Both legs facing one side, right side. Pull your body upwards. Nice warrior one. Virabhadrasana Prakar ek. Now look in front. Hands parallel to the floor. Warrior two. Keep your 90-degree between your right leg. Stretch nicely. Stretch. Now go back to warrior one. High lunge down. Hands down. Back to number 3. Right leg back. Now here we'll do Superman. So right leg up, left hand up. If you can easily, yeah. Change. Left leg up and right hand up. Down. Now lift up your right leg and elbow to knee to elbow 3 times. Right knee to left elbow. Back. Keep it down. Now lift up your left leg. Left knee to right elbow 3 times. One more time. And back. Now 5. Go down. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Here you can take your chin up so that you can see as well. So chin touching the floor, head up. Lift up your right leg up. Stay here. Now with left leg, support your right knee. Again, stay here. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly, left leg down, right leg down. Now left leg up. Keep it up. Now support left knee with right leg. Keep it down slowly, slowly. Now come up, Cobra. We'll do push up 3 times. Go down, come up, down, come up. One more time down, come up. Now get your hands together near your solar plex. Join your palms. Then again push-ups 3 more times. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Breathe in up, breathe out down. One more time, breathe in up, breathe out down. Hands on your side. Come to Cobra. Now downward dog. Relax. Again, relax your knees, thighs, just relax. Now we'll walk forward towards your hand, half fold, walk back. One more time, walk forward, walk back. Relax. Now your left leg will come forward. So come into number 3 position, which is number 8 now. Join your hands, Anjaneyasana. Go back, back, nicely stretch, stretch. Come in the middle, in front. Stand up. Warrior 1, Virabhadrasana Prakar ek. Stretch your Shoulders, open your chest, look in front, arms pulled up nicely, both legs in left side. Now warrior two. So hands parallel to the floor, left leg onto left side, right leg in 90 degree to the left. Hands parallel to the floor, look onto left hand, pull your arms both ways, like tug of war. Somebody's pulling from both sides. Stretch nicely, stretch, stretch, stretch. Now back to warrior one, both legs facing left side, Anjaneyasana. Then back to number 8 position. Now 9. Now here, cross your legs onto each other. Touch the floor, forehead on your knee. Unlock. Now cross other leg on top of other right leg. So whichever leg you did, swap it now. Forehead on the knee. Breathe in up and breathe out. Just relax. We'll do one more with more different positions. Just relax. Okay. Again, come back into Namaskar. Legs together, palms together. Okay, breathe in, go up. Now just stand again still. Left leg down, left hand down, right hand onto left side. Ardha Kati Chakrasana, sideways. Stretch. Come up, come up. Left hand up, right hand down. Go on to right side, Ardha Kati Chakrasana, sideways. Now take your left hand also down. Take your 8 fingers onto your hips, thumb onto your lower back. Go back, Ardha Chakrasana. Stay here. This is like number 1 of Surya Namaskar with arms up, but now we'll go, come standing up. Now if you can, just put your right leg onto left knee and then bend forward. If you can, forward fold, stretch, stretch, knee close to your feet. Keep it down, stand up. Now left leg onto right. Again, bend forward. Hands on the floor, support, forehead on your legs, if you can. Now keep your feet down. Right leg back. Now we'll do pigeon pose. This might be a bit difficult, but we did it before. So keep your left leg, the front leg down in parallel to the mat, if you can. Hands in front. See if you can. It should be the knee onto one side of the mat and toe and sole onto other side of the mat. Both hands on edges of the mat. Now we'll do push-up. So forehead on the floor. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. One more time. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Now slowly up. Now push your leg a bit further on other side if you can. If it's a left leg, push it towards the right side. If it's right leg, towards left side. Stretch, stretch. Take it out and take it completely out on the mat. Lizard pose. So your hands are in front of your chest and leg is outside. So now use your left hand, push your knee away, away. Stretch nicely. Okay, down, legs, get it between your arms. Now left leg back, come into plank, reach the regular plank. Stay here for 10-15 seconds. Then lift up right leg, on the right leg, up, up, down, left leg up, up, up. and down. Come back up. Now number 5, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Now here, just sleep down, lie down. Hands under your thighs, palms facing up. Shalabhasan, look up, legs up. Shalabhasan. 1, 2, 3. Go down, forehead on the floor. Hands out. Now hands parallel to the floor and Shalabhasan. 3, 2, 1. Now down, forehead down. Now we'll do Dhanurasana. So hold your legs, your ankles, and then Dhanurasana. Lift your legs, lift your head. 3, 2, 1. Forehead down, legs down, hands on your side, shoulder side, near your chest. Breathe in Cobra. Now try to look from right side. Try to look at your heels. Tiriyak Bhujangasana. Back to front. Look on to left side. Tiriyak Bhujangasana. Back to front. Go up all the way. Now right leg come forward. Now put your right leg down. Pigeon pose. Hands in front on the mat edges. We'll do push-ups for 3 times. Breathe out down, forehead on the floor. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Now if it's your right leg, take it out onto left side if you can. Just for 5-10 seconds, stretch. You'll have a nice stretch onto your hip joints. Get it back into middle. Now right side on outside of your mat, outside of your hands, lizard pose. Look in front, stretch nicely your groin joints. Now push your knee away from your body onto other side. Push, push, slowly, slowly, push. Okay, slowly get it back in middle between your hands. Come and move forward, fold. Now keep your hands 1 feet away from the foot. Roughly look in front, half forward fold. Relax your muscles, your knee muscle, your thighs, your calf muscles. Get back into the actual one now. Breathe in up, relax, and then sit down. Sit down into Sukhasana. Sit down into Sukhasana. Relax, close your eyes. We'll just do deep breathe in, breathe out to get all the energy back. Breathe in, breathe out through your nose. Try to do deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Back straight, head straight, eyes closed. Relax. Okay, next one we'll do Udgit, chanting of Omkar. So deep breathe in and chant U and Ma, all 3 syllables. So deep breathe in. Breathe in again. We'll do 2 more times. Last time, breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one we'll do Kapalbhati. So deep breathe in and exhale continuously 1 per second. We'll do for roughly 45 seconds or 1 minute. Start. Just relax, normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one we'll do Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breaths, Nadi Shuddhi. So right nostril, close it with right thumb, breathe in from left. With middle finger, close left nostril, open right, breathe out. Breathe in from right, close right, open left, breathe out. We'll do 2 more times at our own pace. Start. When you're done, hands down, normal breathe in, breathe out. The last one, we'll do Brahmari, chanting of Omkar with our mouth closed, our tongue still. So close your ears, your eyes, your mouth, breathe in and chant Om, but your mouth is closed, so we'll end up doing We'll do 3 times. Start. Breathe in. Last time, breathe in. Take your hand down, normal within, breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. I'll be saying the Vishwa Pratana, prayer for all. Just say that while I'm saying it or after me in your mind, or you can say it loudly. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kachit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Prayer for all in English. May all become happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Let there be peace everywhere. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Raise your hands, brush your palms, make them warm nicely. Keep brushing it. Keep brushing it. When they're warm enough, make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes. Massage gently your eyes with your fingers and your forehead. Massage it inside of the forehead, just above your ears and back of the neck. And open your eyes slowly. And namaste. As I said, this ritual is very good. If you keep doing it for all the activity that you do with eyes closed, your face will brighten up and it will slowly get rid of all the wrinkles. It won't develop more wrinkles. So it basically works on all the muscles of your face. So it's very good. Thanks a lot. Stop the music. Stop recording.